Okay, I'm really excited this morning. I finally came up with an idea for this fabric wrapped tumbler I've done up the other day. A little bit of scuff marks where I sanded out some little bubbles. So I've decided that the purple with the butterflies would be perfect for purple with butterflies epilepsy awareness tumbler. So I'm going to start by applying the decal that I printed off of my Cricut. I'm using a 6-pan muffin pan to hold the mug in place while I do it. So let's first start by lifting up this first decal here. Get this corner to peel. There we go. Alright, so let's get this transfer tape on there. I don't have my varnishing tool, so I'm going to use a acrylic paint bottle, which hopefully works just as well. We'll find out here in a minute. So I'm gonna get that onto the transfer paper. Just gonna have a quick kind of about where I want it. Yeah, so pull this nice and close for me to work with here. Let's hope this peels off nice. So far so good. Oh, bit of a stick there. Let's see if I can get that. Oh, I don't need that anyways. I forgot to weed that out. Oh, oops. I do need that top of the E. Give it a rub. I'll try this once more here. And I'm trying to make sure I don't touch the underside of the vinyl with my fingertips. I don't want the oils in my hand to interfere with our adhering to the tumbler. I've had troubles with some of this stuff the past couple days coming off easy. Or not wanting to come off at all. That's my dot for my eye. I need that. Come on now, little dot. Try this another rub here. There it goes. And then while I was doing that, I noticed that I missed taking it part of this A, so I'm just going to pop this out hopefully right now. There we go, just like that. And about there looks pretty much where I want it. A little bit of a wrinkle there, I'm going to pull that out. Tape's getting ahead of me here. And then I'm going to start pressing it out that way. I could have trimmed this up a little bit better. I would have had less wrinkles in it. But I think it's going to go on just fine. Give this a rub everywhere. And take my corner. And there it is, one side. So then I'm going to flip it right over to my other side. And I'm going to pick up the other half that I made. I use the same transfer tape. Same bottle of white acrylic paint. Varnish this down. All these little dots might be a little bit of a nuisance, but we'll find out. Get at them really good here. See if this is going to come up for us now. Not there. Again, I don't know if my vinyl's just getting a little bit old. See, it wants to take the backing paper with it, which isn't any good. I'll try from this angle. It's being a bit of a pain, but it's starting to come up here. Just coaxing the corners of them up as I peel it back here. This one doesn't want to. I'll give it a bit more of a... There we go. Not sure what I'm going to do at the corner of that ribbon. It doesn't want to come off of the backing paper. I'm going to try it from a different angle and see if maybe that helps motivate it a little bit. There we go. Now that it's on my transfer paper, same thing. I'm going to get it on my mug or on my tumbler where I want it. And I'm just going to start pressing it down, working my way out. And working my way back to this side. Rub it down nicely. Try to make sure I get all those little dots. And peel that off. And there we go. Not sure, I might add some detail to those butterflies. I'm gonna have to think on that before I epoxy it. I'll let you know how it turns out.